installing a new stack kit on this hose reel. Obviously this hose reel is not brand new. Previous stack kit finally, after I guess 3 or 4 years, gave out. 5 years seems like forever. You can see how it's jacked up down there. They're pretty straightforward. You basically have 2 bolts down here, which these are just not fully tightened on there. We'll get them all the way torqued on, but nice sturdy frame though. Pretty much it. I mean, you unscrew the current ones, screw on here and here on both sides, and then down here, and then we'll set the other reel up on top of there. It's ideal if you take off all the hose, but we're going to just manage it with the 300 feet of hose that's on there, bolted on. We got this reel originally from Russ at Southside, and just got the new stack kit. The reels themselves are still in good shape. I'm pretty sure we've replaced both swivels in its lifetime. I mean, you can see this has gotten a lot of wear and tear on it, but it's still working, still making our jobs easier, reeling stuff up and all. So guys, it's also a great space saver, so get that for your truck or for your rig, and especially again if you're able to get it stacked, it's a lot less space and more space for more other stuff. I know this is a mess, but whatever.